Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We have started a series of lectures to discuss the parameters of the global food issue one by one. In the previous lecture, we have discussed the population trend, and in this lecture, we will discuss the population-land ratios. That what's happening to the population and what's happening to the cultivable land, and what should happen to them, what we should do. The cultivable land remains the same while the population is increasing. Now, when the population is increasing, they are bringing the cultivable land under some construction, and the land is minimizing by this act of the population. As the population is increasing, so the population increase should be controlled, and the barren land or the land which is not cultivable should be cultivated. There may be different reasons why it can't be cultivated. That may be the supply of the farm machinery, that may be supply of the pesticides, the fertilizers, the water and other resources, or the climatic changes, or the weather conditions, or the political reasons. But the land which is barren should be cultivated, should be brought under cultivation by the international donors. With the help of the international donors, they can be brought under cultivation to produce food. Now, if we are bringing it under cultivation, the high yielding, disease resistant, short statured varieties should be sown over there to produce more food to feed the hungry mouths. Additional efforts should also be required for this purpose. That is, the state machinery should be applied over there to perform efficiently, to produce more food, and more farming friendly policies should be framed by the different states where the barren land is brought under cultivation, and some packages should also be announced for them, as the free electricity or the free water supply or some free other packages. So the farmers will be convinced, and in this way they will be more active in bringing the barren land under cultivation. In this lecture, we discussed the population land ratios, in which the population is increasing while the land remains the same, but with increase in the population the land is decreasing. The barren land should be brought under cultivation, and the increase in population should be controlled or should be checked, and some additional efforts should also be made to convince and encourage the farmers to focus on the bringing of barren land under cultivation to produce more food to feed the hungry mouths. This is the second lecture, and in third lecture we will discuss the third parameter. We are waiting for your suggestions, for your comments. If you have any question, please ask. We will appreciate. Thank you.